There is no secret method to win every trade on Binomo or any other trading platform. Anyone promising that is being dishonest. However, you can improve your trading by using smart strategies. Several approaches exist, each with pros and cons. Price action trading looks at how prices have moved in the past without using indicators. It is flexible, but needs careful observation. Candlestick pattern uses shapes on price charts to predict short-term changes. It's fast, but can give wrong signals. Support and resistance trading finds price levels where prices often stop going up or down. It is simple but not always reliable. News trading uses important news to predict price changes, offering big potential but also big risks. Fundamental analysis studies a company's finances to find good investments. It is helpful for long-term investing, but takes time and expertise. Own strategy, learn the basics of technical analysis, pick a time frame that suits you, test your strategy using past data, and always control your risks. Binomo uses binary options, which are high-risk investments. They can give quick profits, but also big losses. Make sure Binomo is legal where you live and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Successful trading comes from learning, planning, managing risk, and understanding that losses are a part of trading.